Uh, like just a few minutes back, you highlighted your work, Ray Nano's work in polymer science and morphine technology. So, can you elaborate the significance of it, basically?
So let me explain you about the MORPHEON technology. See, uh, Nano is a very potent technology. The nanoparticle, once it is converted to nanostructure, what happens that very minuscule of particle, they enter into the polymer matrix and they give fantastic results depending on the type of nanomaterial we use. But there is a big challenge of using nanomaterial in polymer science. Uh, when we convert any material into nanostructure, it has a very high level of energy, and because of that, there is a huge amount of agglomeration. Especially when we dry the nanomaterials, it has a lot of tendency to get re-agglomerated. Not just agglomeration, but aggregation, which is very difficult to break. So this Morpheon technology, coming from the word morphology, where all the the polymer has its own morphology, it changes the morphology of the polymer. Morpheon technology is all about making polymer friendly nano dispersions. So nanomaterials, as it is our own baby, we have nanotechnology as our core competency since long. Now we have started working on these kind of nano dispersions, which are very easy to use into polymer matrix by a usual compounder, I would say, a usual mass batch company. So as we also have one extended arm in polymer industry, we know the challenges associated with the polymer people. So now this whole Morpheon concept we had developed specifically for the compounders. We are going to give solutions to the compounders. We are going to work very closely with them. It's a kind of a kind of concept where we will develop the nano dispersions for them. They will use it into their respective applications, different applications. I'll explain about different applications, and then we will work very closely to explore this potential market together. um, just to explain which are the different applications we have started working with nanomaterials to. In the first phase, like, we have a range of products, but in first phase we have come up with 9 different applications. So one of the major application in Morpheon is Nanor. Nanor is a series we have introduced. This particular series is specifically designed for agriculture film application. Another is nano permanent antistatic additive, which is based on nanotubes, carbon nanotubes. Then we have developed very specialty FR in nanostructure, which reduces the content of FR into the final article, which improves the mechanical property and FR property substantially. Then we have worked extensively over certain synergistic materials which helps the FR. So we have developed this FR synergist. Then we have nano additives for barrier applications in film. For food packaging, we need the gas barrier property. So we have developed certain specialty nanomaterials for barrier application. Then we have developed some specialty UV blockers which are based on nanotechnology, which can be used in many applications, including agriculture film application. Then we have nanomaterial to increase the mechanical properties and rheological properties, morphological properties of polymers. Then another thing is anti-fog application based on nanotechnology, where it can very last. In usual cases, anti-fog properties are not long lasting, but in our nano application, it is long lasting. Another Morpheon application is anti-fouling. It's a very niche application where the marine biofouling is a trouble, sometimes. So we have developed a nano material which is non-toxic to marine ecosystem, but it doesn't allow the biofouling to get accumulated onto the surface. So it's a very, very unique product, and this is also based on nanotechnology. So this way we have a range of nano materials we are introducing under the MORPHEON concept, and we really look forward that we will be able to contribute well in polymer sector, because for last many years I have seen that there is a kind of stagnation in the polymer industry, compounding industry. No new innovations, very, very little amount of innovations come. There is nothing much to offer. There is no much involvement of technical development, or real research is not happening. So nanotechnology has tremendous potential to work in polymer science.